Welcome back, YouTube. We're glad to see you. We're going to give you an Italian version of stuffed cabbage for our great St. Patrick's Day. So stay tuned. Okay. The rice. I know it's hard for me to give you ingredients for small batches because we don't make, well, I don't make small batches. I don't even know how. I cook for more like 10 people or plus all the time. So I don't know how to make a small batch. So now we're going to mix everything in one bowl. We're going to get rice, cooked white rice, see? Cool it off. This is like 3½ cups of white rice. Right there. Now we're going to put out hot sausage meat. And we're going to thank James again from ROMEO Brothers for supplying the meat for us. Thank you, James, over on 78th Street and 15th Avenue. Great butcher. Now we're going to put the beef. I have like 4½ pounds of beef, 4½ pounds of hot sausage meat. Like I said, we're making a vat for a lot of people. And we're going to moosh that around a little bit, get the rice in there. Look how beautiful. Okay, now we got the rice mixed up in there a little bit. Now we're going to add grated cheese. Just remember the cheese is all the flavor. So I'm going to say to this big vat, I'd say that's about 2½ cups of grated cheese. Ah, nice big chunk of Locatelli cheese, look. That's there, mix it a little bit. This Costco has the best organic raisins. 2 big bags for like $8. And this is my mother's own invention. Because the Italian people, during the summer, we spend the summer up in the Catskills. So we grow everything. So we gotta eat it. Josie invented this. Give a big shout out to Josie Leone, my mother, yeah! That's about a cup. A little bit of salt. And black pepper.
2,000 years later.
Now we're gonna mix that all. My niece Tony and we're just gonna reach to taste a piece, and she knows I'm gonna break her fingernails. These are cabbage leaves. Little piece in there. Bend it this way. Bend it this way and this way. And there's your stuffed cabbage. I bet you my 2 Lindas and my Lucille will love this meal. Just like a buffalo and a burrito almost.
Is that?
Perfect.
And this is my invention.
We say that?
I heard you know, I'm telling her.
Yeah. We said that.
Grandma made all her recipes. Of course. Fuck the old timers, they didn't enjoy it. I don't even...
We put good olive oil in the pan. Cola Vita, the best. Some in there. Some in there. Let my Tony in. Me and Tony in always. My other little bitches, I don't know where they are. Now in this hot oil, the oil that's hot, we're gonna put some onion, look. Ah, some there, some there. Air fry, nice. A handful of garlic there and a handful of garlic there. I like whole garlic. I like it whole. Wooden spoon. See, years ago they just weren't for beatings. They were for cooking too. Ah, delicious. We're all ready to rock and roll. See, once these onions are a little, start getting clear like that, that's when you know they're ready. We add a little chopped cabbage on the bottom so that we have a nice bed for them. See? Except that one's going to be red and that one's going to be white. So now we're going to start putting these in. We like to move it around a little bit. Look. 1, 2. Little baby one she did. She's too funny, Josie. Perfect. Now we use a little organic chicken stock. Once we get a little bit in there, I'm going to put a little salt on the top so we get some. And then we'll get it going to the bottom. See the juice? Now that's going to make all this all better. So we're going to turn this down to medium until she really boils with a nice deep cover so they steam. We're going to do the same thing over here. This is going to be different than this. This is the clear sauce. In the closet. This one is going to be a clear sauce, and this one is going to be a red sauce. Ah, fresh tomatoes. We made that 19 months ago. A little salt. And we're going to come back in a little while, okay? Hang in there. And 45 minutes later, cabbage white, stuffed cabbage red. We hope you enjoy it. We know you're going to love it. And we appreciate you following us on YouTube and Instagram. Thank you very much. Buon appetito. I can't tell I'm going to cut 5 and we're making enough for couches on it.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine